Hello everyone, welcome to the Craft and Fix channel. If your hammer handle breaks, don't throw it away. I'll show you a practical and stylish way to replace it. Let's get a strong handle creative way. Don't miss the video. Follow along step by step. We'll remove the broken handle. We'll need a piece of PVC plastic pipe. We'll use rubbing alcohol to create a heat source. We'll use glue sticks, cut into pieces, to melt the glue and create a filler. We'll heat the end of the PVC plastic pipe to make it easier to insert into the hammer hole. We flatten the pipe slightly. Where are you watching from, friends? I want to make friends from all over the world. Leave a comment below so I can get to know you. We insert it into the hammer hole and tap the pipe to ensure a good fit. Good. Now we'll adjust the wooden piece to fit the hammer hole. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I always look forward to your comments and suggestions. Okay, now we'll cut off the protruding wood from the hammer. We'll melt the glue sticks until they're liquid, so it's easier to pour into the hole in the plastic tube. Now the liquid glue is ready. We'll pour it into the hole in the new hammer handle. We'll tap the plastic piece to remove any air bubbles. Then we'll let it cool until it hardens. We'll remove any remaining glue from the handle. Now we'll make a stopper for the handle, which we'll also use to hang the hammer. We'll make a hole to easily thread a thin rope through. We'll glue the stopper in place with a hot glue gun and secure it well. The hammer is ready. We'll test the hammer. It's very strong and flexible. It's a unique trick worth trying. I hope you like the idea. Subscribe to my channel to see more interesting videos. Like the video and leave a comment. Your comments mean a lot to me. May God bless your time. See you soon.